Introduction. Welcome to our guide on AI-driven revenue generation. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, can revolutionize your business for greater profitability. AI-powered automation. Leveraging AI for task automation is a powerful money-making strategy. Businesses save time and resources by automating customer service, marketing, and accounting. 1. Customer service. AI handles FAQs, emails, and chatbots, allowing human reps to tackle complex matters. 2. Marketing. AI streamlines email campaigns, optimizes social media, and crafts targeted ads for efficient audience engagement. 3. Accounting. AI automates data entry, invoice processing, and financial reporting, improving accuracy and efficiency. Innovative products and services. AI fuels creativity, leading to unique offerings such as personalized recommendations, chatbots, and self-driving cars. 1. Personalized recommendations. AI tailors suggestions based on user behavior, driving sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. 2. Chatbots. AI-driven chatbots excel at customer service, freeing up human reps for more intricate tasks. 3. Self-driving cars. AI-driven self-driving cars revolutionize transportation, boosting safety and efficiency. 4. Medical diagnosis. AI aids accurate and swift disease diagnosis, potentially saving lives and improving healthcare. 5. Financial trading. AI-powered algorithms outperform human traders, potentially generating significant profits. Enhancing business operations. AI enhances various operations, from supply chain optimization to risk management and fraud detection. 1. Supply chain management. AI forecasts demand, manages inventory, and tracks shipments, leading to cost savings and efficiency. 2. Risk management. AI identifies trends and mitigates risks, safeguarding businesses from costly errors. 3. Fraud detection. AI spots anomalies, protecting businesses from financial losses due to fraud. 4. Customer service. AI offers 24/7 support, answering queries and resolving issues, elevating customer satisfaction. 5. Marketing. AI-driven data analysis and predictive models optimize marketing campaigns, reaching target audiences effectively. Challenges and considerations. Despite the benefits, making money with AI presents challenges and risks. 1. Development costs. AI development requires significant investment, potentially hindering small businesses and startups. 2. Skill shortage. A lack of skilled AI professionals can hinder implementation. 3. Data privacy and bias. AI's data usage raises privacy concerns, while biased training data can lead to discrimination. 4. Job displacement. Automation may lead to job losses in some industries, necessitating employee retraining. 5. Unintended consequences. AI systems can lead to unpredictable outcomes that businesses must manage. Mitigating risks. Navigate challenges with these strategies. 1. Begin with small AI projects to test feasibility. 2. Partner with experienced AI firms for guidance. 3. Ensure transparency and data privacy in AI applications. 4. Train AI models on diverse data to minimize bias. 5. Rigorously test AI systems to avoid unintended outcomes. 6. Be adaptable to evolving AI technologies. Starting with AI, ready to embark on your AI journey. Follow these steps. 1. Define your AI goals: automation, new products, or enhanced operations. 2. Research AI technologies to find the best fit. 3. Start small and scale gradually for efficient implementation. 4. Partner with experienced AI specialists for smooth integration. 5. Be patient, as AI implementation takes time. 6. Stay flexible to adapt to evolving AI trends. Conclusion. AI's transformative potential is within reach. Embrace innovation, manage risks, and thrive in the AI-powered economy. Share your thoughts in the comments, and thank you for watching.